Right, let's make some papaya salad, my favorite dish, traditional style. This is the clay mortar and pestle that what we use. You can use a small bowl, but I want to make it traditional, just like in Thailand or on the street. That's what we saw. Fermented crab is amazing. All of these ingredients fresh, and we shredded papaya, the green papaya already. Make sure you put in the ice or water so make it crispy. Then let's start with garlic. So let's pound a little bit, not too mushy. Then you just put some fresh chilies. So I'll start with a little bit first because some chili is different. It can be super hot and super spicy. Then you just cut some of the Thai eggplant. Also fresh tomato, grapes tomato, the cherry tomatoes. Also salted crab, fermented crab paste to make it more salty flavor. And put everything and pound everything together. Put some lime juice as well, some fish sauce, and always taste it. If it's too sweet or if it's too salty, just add it up, okay? Then add some shredded papaya at the end. The green seed is an option. The flour noodle is amazing, yummy, and it's juicy. Look at that. Check out my info over here. Follow me.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to click like and check out my website down below. Catch you later.